Welcome to Explified. India's recent mission to the moon, Chandrayaan-2, suffered a minor setback when the Vikram lander lost communication with its orbital base. According to ISRO officials, this should not invalidate the entire moon mission because Chandrayaan-2 completed 98% of its desired objectives, which were very ambitious to begin with. For instance, Chandrayaan-2 sought to explore and analyze the south polar region of the moon, a space where no other space organization has ventured into before. ISRO has already moved to its next mission, Gaganyaan, a crewed orbital spacecraft intended to be the basis of the Indian human spaceflight program. Gaganyaan will be ISRO's first manned space mission. In this video, let's look into the details of India's ambitious venture into space and what makes it so special. Here are some important points about Gaganyaan. Announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Independence Day speech last year, Gaganyaan plans to send 3 astronauts to space for at least 7 days or more by the end of December 2021. If completed by schedule, India will become the fourth nation to conduct independent human spaceflight after the Soviet Union or Russia, United States, and China. After the successful completion of human spaceflight, ISRO also has plans to start a space station program and possibly initiate a crewed lunar landing. ISRO's Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle GSLV Mk3, the 3-stage heavy-lift launch vehicle, will be used to launch Gaganyaan. The GSLV Mk3 is a crew model manufactured by Hindustan Unilever Limited (HAL) and had its first experimental flight in December 2014. It is equipped to carry a class of 4-ton satellites into geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO) or near about 10 tons to low Earth orbit (LEO). The possibility of a human spaceflight program has been in the talks for a long time now, precisely as early as 2008, but the project did not receive sufficient funding and political support, thus it did not pan out. The latest push for the initiative occurred in 2017 and was formally accepted and announced by the Prime Minister on 15 August 2018. The mission will help ISRO establish reliability on space and launch technology which will further the cause of future space exploration very effectively. It will also make ISRO's presence in the global space market more dominant. The expected cost of the mission is supposed to be somewhere around Rs 10,000 crore. The 3 astronauts who will go on the mission are going to be selected from the Indian Air Force, IAF. IAF completed the first round of selection very recently on 6 September 2019. According to a tweet via the official account of the IAF, the selected test pilots underwent extensive physical exercise tests, lab investigations, radiological tests, clinical tests, and evaluation on various facets of their psychology. As for international aid, ISRO will reportedly receive assistance from the French space agency NCES, National Centre for Space Studies, in terms of expertise in several areas including space medicine, astronaut health monitoring, radiation protection, and life support. Russia is likely to provide astronaut training and assist with some aspects in the development of the launcher. Gaganyaan, slated to be launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC, Sriharikota. After the launch, the rocket will inject the spacecraft into an orbit 300 to 400 km above the Earth's atmosphere. The capsule will rotate around the Earth every 90 minutes, and the astronauts on board will be able to witness sunrise and sunset.